Let's review editing images. Many posts inside of Brandabl contain images. In fact, some are all images. We encourage you to change these to whatever suits your business or even upload your own photographs. You'll notice on many of the images you see, when you get to this design editor, you'll have a placeholder icon in the middle. If you select the placeholder icon, it'll give you options to change this image out. You can either upload your own file, use a brand photo. Your brand photos that we have on file include the background images that we have made for you during the post-customization process, and access to an Unsplash library. For the moment, we're going to go visit Unsplash. Unsplash is an open source photo library. There are tons of photos inside of here. You just need to do a search for whatever it is you want to replace that with. Let's go with the flower. I'm going to select an image that's going to work well. Now I know I have a large horizontal space on my layout, so I really need an image that's going to go with that pretty well. Let's add this one. When the image is brought over, the site will do its best to try to get it to fit into your space for you. And here I can either increase the scale of the image or decrease it down. I can even move that layout down around a bit. When you're done, you want to make sure that you hit Apply Image. This will lock that item into place for you. Now, if you come to an image and you don't see the placeholder icon, you can still select the image. If you want to, from here, you'll see you have some different choices. So if you want to replace it, you would want to go to Replace Image. You can reposition the image inside of the spot. This will allow me to move it around. You just need to make sure you select Apply Image when done. I can resize the box. I can also add filters to it. There's some basic filters included in here. So if I wanted to bump up the brightness a little bit, maybe add that little more exposure to it, then I can make those changes in here. If I don't like it, I can always reset it and go back. You can also add your own images. We suggest when adding an image that you start with a box. Starting with a box will give you the ability to crop that image in the future. So if I am here and I go to Fill, you'll notice that by default, it's going to show me the colors that I can fill the box with, and I sure can change that color, but I can also add a photograph. I'm going to go ahead and go to Brand Photos. I'm going to add this peachy box. Now it's filled that box for me. I can scale that image if I want to focus on this pink part of this brand image. And now it's applied. Now I can move this around. I can change the scale of it. I might even decide to resize it to work behind here instead. Go ahead and push that to the back. And now my post looks much different, and I've customized it just for me. You do not need to save. When you are done, your changes are auto-saved. All you need to do from here is then go back, or you can go ahead or post or export.